Today we're working on Excel Lesson 1, the 8th lesson, closing a workbook. So this is what you should have open. So click File, and then Open. Click Browse. Navigate to your starter files of Jasper Active, so it should be in your documents. Go to your starter files, wherever you have those. Click the Popular Tours file, and then click Open. Assume you're now satisfied with viewing the contents of this workbook and you no longer need to continue viewing it. Click File, and then Close. The Popular Tours file is no longer on the screen. Now close another workbook to use the Close button. On the View tab, over here in the Windows grouping, click Switch Windows. Click Vacation Items Checklist 1. Click the Close button in the upper right hand corner of this. So close that. If a pop-up message box is displayed with this question, do you want to save the changes? Click Don't Save. Mine did not say that. If yours did, just click Don't Save. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Close another workbook, but use the Close button in the taskbar preview this time. So point to the Excel button in the taskbar, and then point to the travel expense calculator, and then close that one. If you have a message box pop up, click Yes. Point to the Excel button in the taskbar, then click on Book 2. To make it active, press Control W. If you get asked, do you want to say, or click Yes if you get a message box. I did not. Click the Close button in the upper right hand corner of the remaining price quote. Click Yes in the pop-up messenger if that appears. All workbooks should now be closed. So you see I have nothing open, so mark this as answered and submit. Should see 2 green checks, and we do. So this completes closing a workbook.